Hello guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today I've come with another amazing update, and this update is all about p2p trading. But the p2p trading is not going to be performing only with Binance but with another exchange. So what we are going to do is I want to show you how you can make profit by buying from Binance p2p and sell to another exchange p2p and make cool profit. Before I jump into the video, I'm crypto 001. What I do in this channel is I promote or bring to you any crypto arbitrage that will make you profit, either it's exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, um p2p trading, or p2p arbitrage, or even spot trading. Any kind of crypto relating terms that will bring money or profit to your wallet is all I promote in this channel. Please do well to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell, share my video so that you get notified anytime I drop updates like this, especially exchanges arbitrage or triangular arbitrage, because this kind of updates does not last too long. So just need to please subscribe. Okay, without wasting much time, let's dive into the business of the day. So first of all, what we need to do is you go to where you see trade and go to p2p. Click on your p2p. Okay, as you can see currently, before we do that, let's toggle off this to see a perfect merchant. So okay, as you can see currently, one USDC is sold at the rate of 1,603 naira. So as you can see, as they every day USDT is keep growing, is keep growing. So what we need to do now is, let's just assume we want to buy from this first guy. This guy is actually selling from 5,000 to 106,000. Let's go for 5,000 to 106,000 for the purpose of people who use less capital for this. So the most happiest thing is that you can use any capital ranging from, let me say, 50, okay, 30, 40 and 50 USDT. So what we need to do, let's make use of our 50 USDT. With our 50 USDT, if you want to buy 50 USDT, you are going to pay the merchant the sum of 80,150 naira. So let's say we started this trade with 80,150 naira to have 50 USDT. Let's go. Okay, we have, let's say we have 50,050. Remember, we started this arbitrage with 80,150 naira. So what we need to do, let's just insert our 50 USDT. With our 50 USDT, after spending 80,150 naira, we will have 50 USDT. Then let's say you move this 50 USDT to KuCoin. Then how do you move this 50 USDT to KuCoin? First of all, this is what you are going to do. You click on wallet, click on spot wallet. Once you click on spot wallet, you now click on withdraw. Now click on USDT. Okay, this way you insert the wallet, the address you are sending to, the network address. Let's see the network address. If you are going with, sorry, let's see the network address. If you are going with, if you are transferring to Tron address, you are going to pay a fee of $1, and the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. If you are transferring with BNB Smart Chain, you are going to pay a fee of 0.119 USDT, and a minimum withdrawal is 0.29. So I will advise you to go with BNB Smart Chain. Go with BNB Smart Chain. Now input your $50. So with your $50, if you are transferring to another exchange, you are going to receive 49.81 USDT in the other exchange. So let's go to the other exchange and see if we are going to make profits. Okay, back here in this exchange, this is KuCoin. If you don't know, this is KuCoin. So click on where you see p2p here on this interface. Okay, once you click on it, it will take you to another interface where you are going to do sell. Remember, what we are going to receive here is 49.81 USDT. So what you are going to do now is you click on sell. Once you click on sell, you can see there are merchants who are willing to buy at the rate of 1,999,000. To be honest, I'm not actually sure of these people. You can see their order. You can see they are verified. So, but to me, I'm not actually sure. You can see this one is ready to buy at 1,900. This one is ready to buy at 1,800. This one 1,650. But not to be greedy, you go for this one that is selling at the rate that is buying at the rate of 1,250 naira. Not to be greedy, so that you not go and lose your money, or you will not get delayed, because you can never lose money if you are selling, because you need to follow the due process. But please, let me sound this to you. If you want to sell to somebody on this platform, please make sure you receive, in any platform, in any crypto platform that you want to sell your coin, make sure you first of all receive your money in your wallet before you release your coin. Make sure you confirm the money inside your wallet. Don't just access by seeing the transfer. Make sure you confirm the money inside your wallet first before you release your coin. So with this, for you not to waste your time, you can, let me say, to me, I will definitely go with the one of 1,659, because I wonder how would this guy make money by buying at this kind of rates. Sure, I don't know. There are a lot of ways of making money. There are a lot of ways of making money from different people, but sometimes they will not just tell you the idea. They will not tell you the secret behind this. So there are a lot of ways people are making money, sha, but they will not really come out to tell you, so that you not follow and benefit. I thank God for them, sha. But to me, I will go with this one that is selling at the rate of 1,600, because this one at least is believable compared to the other people. But let's just assume this one first. The amount of USD we will receive is 49.81. You are going to make a profit. As you can see, we started this trade with 80,150 naira, and we have been able to make 82,186 naira. If you are using your BNB wallet address, if you are using your BNB address to send this, you will not even spend up to $1. What you are going to spend is 0.2. It's only 0.2. Let me say, equivalent to whether only charge 200 or 300 naira thereby. So let's move to our calculator first and check this. Okay, we are now on our calculator. Let's say 82,180 minus our initial capital, which was 80,150 naira. You have made a profit of 2,000. Let's just call it 2,000. Okay, let me show you something. 2,000 minus your 2,000 minus your, let me say, your transfer fee of 300 naira minus 300 naira. You have made your total profit now, after the expenses and everything, is now 1,700 naira. Okay, 1,700 naira times, let me say, if you repeat this like 5 times, this is 8,000 naira in a day. Then if you can do this like 1 month, 8,500 times 30 days, this is 255,000 naira. It's actually profitable. Just try this out and tag me later. Just go, but make sure when you buy from Binance, there is you can also implement this same strategy in doing it in KuCoin. But what I will advise you, buy from Binance, because Binance is very, very trustworthy. Buy first from Binance, then send it to KuCoin, and then sell it to the merchant, but make sure say you receive your money first, you receive your money in your account first before you release the crypto to the person. Okay. Okay. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, share and like my video, please, so that you get to another people.